A chicken or an egg? What came first? Well, that has been a story for centuries. Today's topic is about things you need to set up a poultry farm. A serious business requires a business plan or project plan. This goes a long way in many advantages. Some could be clearly specifying the project, a purpose, and its plan. The capital amount you you would begin with or you're willing to invest in, the market research, etc. etc. You need space, a place where you're going to set up the farm, you know. Next, a structure. You should have set up a structure. Well, a professional structure should